All right, welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Tamaria Loc'd and I go by Tamaria Loc'd on all of my social media platforms. So feel free to follow me on whatever your favorite platform is. Today we're getting ready to dive into some energy of the tarot cards and hopefully pull some messages of inspiration, something that will help you to be motivated, some sort of guidance. And as we're pulling these messages, I just want to put a disclaimer that I am hoping that they come to me and through me through pure intentions. So we're going to be doing a 1 card read for each zodiac sign today. So if you've watched my previous videos, then we're just going to roll the dice. One has the zodiac signs, then the other has the number. So the number will be used to determine how many times we actually shuffle the cards. And then I guess as well, at the end of the 1 card read, we could also give each zodiac sign a affirmation from the Mindful Collective deck. So yeah, that is what we got going on for today. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's calm the energy down. Calm the energy down. Calm thy energy down. Okay. All right. So Divine, who do we have a message for today? Pisces. All right, let's go. We got Pisces, and then we have 1 shuffle. And then as well, we're doing 1 card. Divine, please help me to channel a message for our Pisces of guidance, inspiration, and motivation. Please help me to deliver the message with nothing but pure intentions and love. Let's go. All right, Pisces. So the 1 card that we have for you is the 7 of Pentacles. So this is the card. All right, Pisces. So whatever you've been working on, it's starting to become prosperous. So all of the hard work that you have put into a particular project, a particular relationship, a particular friendship, it doesn't necessarily have to always be concerned with finances. It could be a number of things. So I see growth. I see lots of potential. I see you excited. I see you content with the efforts that are manifesting from whatever it is that you've been working on. All right, Pisces. So as well, what I'm pulling from this 7 of Pentacles is that it's implying that whatever you've been built up, be it relationship, be it some type of career or some type of project, you can now just be assured that it's going to keep growing once again by itself without collapsing. You have put in an energy of perseverance, you've put in an energy of faith, and now you just have the rewards and the profits and the investments that are growing from your diligence, Pisces. So having faith in the long term of your outcome efforts is basically the energy that I'm pulling from this card. And Pisces, if you are working on something, you may need patience, and you may need to develop patience in order for you to trust that your seeds that you have planted will be fruitful for you, Pisces. All right, so Pisces, let's just go ahead and grab you an affirmation card as well for your 7 of Pentacles to go along with that. All right. So your affirmation card, Pisces, says, my thoughts manifest my reality. I hold the power to choose them. My thoughts manifest my reality. I hold the power to choose them. All right. Don't lose your momentum, Pisces. Don't try to rush things. Just let everything flow and grow as it needs to. So that is what I have for you, Pisces. If you got anything from this message, please go ahead and like this video. Be sure to subscribe to the video as well so that you don't miss any of your future readings. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.